Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to make vintage macrame plant hanger. Let's start. Put 16 cords together and fold in half. Add a short cord 180 cm, tie square knot 10 cm. Put hanging rope together. Add a short cord 80 cm, tie wave knot. Tie 3 rows of square knot. Now I start the first row. The second row. And the third row. Put 13 cords together and tie wave knot with 80 cm cord. Using 4 cords, tie spiral knot 5 cm. Repeat the spiral knot pattern 8 groups. Attach 32 cords to the ring with lark'shead knot. Using 2 cords to put a bead. Tie 7 square knots. Repeat square knot pattern and put a bead 4 times. Leave 4 cm space. Attach 32 cords to the ring with lark'shead knot. Tie spiral knot 20 cm. Repeat the spiral knot pattern, 2 groups. Connect 2 groups together with 2 square knots. Put a bead and tie 2 square knots. Tie spiral knot 20 cm, 2 groups. Repeat the same pattern for each group. Connect pot holder together with 7 square knots. Repeat the same pattern for 4 sides. Tie alternating half hitch knot. Repeat the same pattern for 4 sides. Leave 4 cm space. Add a short cord 80 cm tie wave knot. Measure 15 cm and cut the end of rows.